Hi friends, I have created a folder mixed character icon to do this project. First, we need to create train and test folders. I have copied all the classes of images inside train folder. We can check the number of images of each classes from its properties. Here, each class contains 22 items. Now, we will create the test folder. We will follow the same procedure as train folder. Now, from each train classes, we will take out last 4 images. And only keep those 4 images inside test folder of corresponding classes. We will create a new virtual environment to do our task. In this way, we will only install the libraries which we will be required to do our task. Now, we will create a virtual environment folder to install the libraries. In first step, we will install Python. Now we are inside virtual environment. Let's check the Python version first. I am using 3.6.9 for this task. Thanks for watching this video.